everyone, so what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in my today's video, today I'm going to be show you a very good DIY hair mask preparation and the application for extremely dry and rough hair. Nowadays, due to the pollution, climate change, heat styling and all these so-called chemical treatments, the condition of our hair becomes extremely bad, like dull, frizzy, dry, brittle, rough, etc. And if you are someone who is suffering from such things, then I am highly requesting you to please try this hair mask at least for once, and I am sure that after seeing the result you will also be surprised. So without further ado, let's get started for today's video. And one more thing, all the ingredients that I am going to use to prepare this hair mask are easily available in your kitchen. So let's do the preparation first. Well, to prepare the hair mask, firstly I'm taking 1 cup of cooked rice, जैसे चावल हम regularly घर में खाते हैं, and then next I'm gonna be adding half cup of curd यानी कि yogurt और दही. You can change the quantity according to your hair length, but one thing to keep in mind, that is you need to take the curd the half amount of the rice. Next, as you can see, I am taking 1 whole egg. Then lastly, 1 tablespoon of pure coconut oil. So these are all the 4 ingredients that you need to make the hair mask. Now I'm gonna be blending these ingredients all together. Okay, so after blending all the ingredients, now this is the final look of our DIY hair mask. The consistency should be like this, like creamy consistency, not very thick, not too light. And now I'm gonna be applying this mask. जैसा कि मैंने दिखाया, this mask contains total 4 ingredients that are rice, curd, egg and coconut oil. Rice helps to detangle the hair, makes hair stronger and smoother, increases the shine and helps hair to grow longer. Come to curd. Curd acts as a natural conditioner and moisturizer for the hair. It combats flaky scalp, reduces hair fall and the frizziness. The lactic acid in curds helps to clean the scalp, clear dead skin cells, cleans hair follicles and thus helps in hair growth. Next, come to egg. Egg is a great nutrient-rich hair superfood which helps to enhance hair growth. It prevents hair fall, improves hair elasticity and makes your hair more soft and glossy. Lastly, come to coconut oil. Coconut oil can protect your hair from protein loss and from environmental damage like wind, sun and smoke. The vitamins and fatty acid in coconut oil help nourish your scalp and penetrate the cuticle of the hair and make your hair super healthy from inside. Also, it helps in hair growth. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have already applied the hair mask and abhi I'm gonna be waiting for 10 minutes only, and after 10 minutes I'm gonna wash my hair with my regular shampoo and conditioner, and I will be back after washing my hair. Hi guys, so I am finally back after washing and drying my hair, and as you can see, after the application of the hair mask, my hair is more shiny, silky, soft and manageable right now, and the dryness, frizziness and the dullness have reduced a lot as the mask provides instant hydration and proper nourishment to the hair. You know, whenever I feel that my hair becomes dry, frizzy, I just love to use this mask only. And you know, if you continue to use this mask twice a month, then you will definitely see a better result. So that was it for today's video guys. I hope you find this video really helpful, and if really that, then please give me a big thumbs up, and also do follow me on my all social networking platforms. Link will be given in the description box below. Now in case you have any queries regarding this video, then comment down below. I would love to reply your comment. So that was it. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care, stay happy, stay blessed and most importantly stay safe. Love you and bye bye.